There's some changing pandemic information that happened while most of us were asleep, but we have you back staying up to date with it all. Here's what you need to know right now to the moment.
Well, new this morning, the FDA just gave the green light for people with weakened immune systems to get a COVID-19 booster. It can be a dose of either Pfizer or Moderna. The third shot will go to people who did not have an ideal immune response to the first two. That's been the case for many cancer patients as well as transplant recipients.
So what is next? Now it's the CDC's turn to vote in just a few hours at 8 a.m. An advisory panel is expected to vote to recommend the booster. Then later today, is expected the CDC director will sign off on it.
And then also, if you're headed to San Francisco and you're unvaccinated, listen up. Starting next Friday, there will be a lot that you cannot do. Last night, the city announced you'll have to show proof of vaccination to get into restaurants, bars, and also some businesses. We asked Sacramento County officials if they're planning to do something similar. They told us they are not considering that right now. Statewide, COVID-19 related hospitalizations are tracking toward the level that we saw during the winter surge, Walt.
It is important to note we're not even close to the peak of more than 20,000 a day that we did see back in January, but with about 7,000 COVID patients a day, that's similar to where we were at the end of February.
And then looking at Sacramento County, there are now 348 COVID-19 hospitalizations, including 83 patients in the ICU. Sac Metro Fire is also reporting a big increase in COVID-19 related calls.
And this morning, the county's public health officer has a request for the community.
That they reserve these resources, the emergency room and 911 and ambulance calls only for emergencies that require that kind of care.
Sacramento County health officials also say testing has tripled in the last month.
In Nevada County, the public health department there says they are seeing a 1,200% increase in COVID cases since last month. The county has reported more than 6,000 cases since its last report Wednesday. That's quite an increase compared to July 1st when 4,900 cases were reported. Public health officials say the majority of people who are hospitalized are unvaccinated.